Okay, brother, now comes a different pattern. What are they, brother? Now, mudarrisuna, muhandisuna, fallahuna, mujtahiduna, muslimuna, and I give you extra, mu'minuna, sa'imuna, kanituna. Huh? Are you with me? Now what are these? These are patterns. So what do you do? This pattern, only this pattern, starting from mudarrisuna until muslimuna, it is called Jam3a Muzakkar Saalim. Huh? What is it called? What do you say in English? Sound masculine plural. We are going to study this tomorrow again. Huh? But I thought if I introduce you now, you will be able to have some idea today. How do you make Jam3a Muzakkar Saalim? Huh, brother? Why is it called Jam3a Muzakkar Saalim? Why it is called sound masculine plural? This is how you make it. Are you looking at me? Watch me, brothers and sisters. Sister Arifa. You add waw noon, okay, to a singular. Okay. What is the singular here? Muslimun. Okay. Now you add waw noon to it. What will it become? Muslimun. Are you with me? When you made this, brothers and sisters, you did not break this. Did you break it? No, still Muslimu is there in the plural. You did not break it. So if you don't break it, it means it is sound masculine plural. Jam3a Muzakkar Saalim. So whenever the plurals are made on this pattern by adding waw noon, you call it sound masculine plural. Are you with me? Okay, we are only learning Muzakkar now. Brother, if I say mu'minun, make it plural, mu'minuna. If I say sa'imun, sa'imuna. If I say khashi'un, khashi'una. If I say hafizun, hafizuna. If I say talibun, no, that is wrong. It is tullabun. You see, now we have to watch it. I said talibun, you said talibun, no, it is tullabun. Are you with me? But if I tell you, brothers and sisters, sa'imun, sa'imuna. If I say hafizun, hafizuna. If I say zakirun, zakiruna. Are you with me? Zakirun, zakiruna. Are you with me? So this is the pattern how you make from singular into plural. If you do it on this pattern, what is it called? Al-Jam3a Muzakkar Saalim. Huh? It is called Jam3a Muzakkar Saalim. Sound masculine plural. Okay? One more minute, brother. Okay. Mudarrisun became mudarrisuna. Muhandisun became muhandisuna. Fallahun became fallahuna. And mujtahidun became mujtahiduna. And muslimun became muslimuna. Okay, brother? And then if I say mu'minun, mu'minuna. Zakirun, zakirun. Okay? Tajirun, tujjarun. It is a different pattern. Tajirun is not tajiruna, tujjarun. Are you with me? Waladun, awladun. Ibnun, abnaw. So, brother, this is the magic in Arabic language. It may sound little difficult and complex, but as we read along, it becomes very easy.